the fire.
Hey guys, so today we decided to come to the beach, and as soon as we got here it started raining so hard. So the girls decided that they wanted to get wet in the rain until the rain stops. So whenever the rain stops, they're gonna get in the ocean. Right, Rainy? You having fun? Did you get wet in the rain? Yes.
It's raining.
It's raining. Tell them. Say it's raining.
It's raining.
Where is it raining? Where are you?
In Jamaica.
London, what did you find?
That over in the tree. Mommy, look at a bird.
Saw a bird?
A bird is coming, baby.
The bird is coming?
Yeah. Birdie.
You gonna go get him?
Yeah. Her mom is. Oh, it's raining
Oh,
again.
the rain is coming again.
Yeah. Daddy, look.
Here comes the rain again.
Daddy, what's this? Daddy, get a book. Daddy, look at me. Okay. Where's your thumbs up?
Thumbs up, thumbs up. Where are we?
Thumbs up.
Where are you?
In Jamaica.
You having fun? You want to go home or you want to stay here?
I want to go home in Jamaica.
You want to go home and you're home in Jamaica. You want to go home to your yellow house? No?
I want to go to Jamaica.
Okay. Are we gonna?
Could you